Good morning, everybody. So check this plant out. This is the Song of India, also known as Dracaena reflexa variegata. So you can see this is variegated form. Really beautiful plant, and it's a commonly grown as a house plant. I did not know that until yesterday. So I've had this thing growing by our front door outside in a pot for 11 years, and it's gotten pretty big. So I'll show you what that looks like in a second. But man, it's crazy. I can grow. It's easy to grow this thing. It's possible to grow this in Southern California, out as an outdoor plant. So it's tolerated to temperatures into the high 20s and low 30s for a very short duration in our area. That's about what we get. However, you can grow it as a house plant as well. In fact, most people grow it that way. So now you can see the pot, how far away it is. So this is a pretty big plant. So it's beautiful. They also call it the Song of Jamaica, and it's native to Africa and a bunch of the surrounding Indian Ocean islands, the chains. It'll grow about 9 feet, and it's really, really slow growing. I have never seen ours flower. I've seen it while I water it, but I've never seen it flower ever in the 15 years we've known this plant. It came from a family member, and it's just a really beautiful, easy to grow plant. So the small flowers though are really, really a beautiful scent from what I hear. So let's take a look at it, and I'll tell you how I take care of it. There. So there's the beautiful foliage. It's slightly tender, but again, it's been handling our climate fine for 11 years. So you can see it's really large in the pot. It's a really nice plant. I probably should prune it back, and I hear it's easy to propagate. I have not done that yet. So here's what the new growth looks like. Well, it'll be slightly less variegated at first. There you go. And then it'll do better. And sometimes it kind of gets a little pest there. I'm not sure what it is, but I just spray it with neem oil every now and then right inside, and it does fine. So for soil quality, and I've just basically used a cactus potting soil, and I've never really fertilized it or do anything but water it, and it seems really happy. I amend the soil with a little bit of composted chicken manure once a year, but very light. Also, you can see that occasionally we'll shoot out, or not occasionally, but now, this is the first time, I guess certain varieties will shoot out a non-variegated form, and we'll see what happens there with that. To prune them back, or to propagate them, you would cut them, and I would treat them like a succulent. That's what I'm going to try, but I saw other people soaking them in water and rooting them that way. So there you go. Give us a like and a subscribe. We'll keep them coming. And this is what a really mature Song of India looks like. So it's just a stunning plant. I hope you can appreciate it and how amazing this big bad boy is. All right, take care. Dude, it's creepy.